for the top stories of the week. Now, in studio, I have with me a special guest.
Put your face and dance. You ready?
Hi.
Yo, big dancer.
Big dancer in the building. We have Latonya Style here. Latonya.
Hi, how you doing?
I am great. Thank you so much for being here.
My pleasure.
What have you been up to?
Wow, never stop working, always dancing.
Uh-huh.
But on top of dancing, I'm also hosting.
Oh.
So I'm the host this year. Well, for the elimination shows for Charles Chocolate's Dancing Dynamite. For the past 2 years, I was the host for Red Bull Dance Your Style. And I'm also the consultant for Red Bull. So other than dancing, I'm using my voice. They said, let your voice be heard. So it's about just talking, expressing myself verbally, and doing a lot of lectures on top of the dancing.
Okay.
Also, my second book.
Right, because
Came
I have 2 books right here in front of me. I did not know this.
Yes.
Author as well. Tell us a little bit about the books.
Well, before I started off with my Stylish Moves Guide and Activity book, it was like small booklets at first when I was going on tour just to have some form of merch for sale.
Yeah.
And then I compiled all 4 booklets into one official book. Last year I recently came out with my Female Dancehall Theory book about Jamaican dance and fashion. So it's putting dance on paper but also highlighting the Jamaican queens who put us on the map.
Over the years.
Yeah, man, who created the dance moves and stuff like that. And I take it from old school to middle school mostly because we want to preserve the culture.
Yeah.
So the new people, them are going to be part 2. You know, the second book.
Yeah.
We have big up Carly, Mad Michelle, Stacey Cumberland, who was the first official dancehall queen that danced on the stage at Pier 1 and Mash It Up.
Yeah.
I used to tour with her.
Yeah.
So, we have a big history together.
Medusa, you know.
Yeah, what? The 2 Medusa, them. Remember that 2 Medusa,
Yeah.
At Medusa?
Yeah.
You say Momzell and Kiva.
Mumzell, Swizzle Body, the whole of them.
No, you go
Mad
Swizzle,
Michelle.
yeah.
Yes,
No,
so.
you preserve the thing.
Yeah, man,
That must have.
preserve
Never
the
get one of them
culture.
book them.
And the funny thing, most of the pictures I took them because I was so into capturing stuff and documenting
Original
information.
at the time pictures.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. What's a way to
Definitely.
celebrate Women's History Month? Because
Bad.
it is Women's Month, as we know. We say all Dr. Leonton Styles.
Of course.
Stands in it.
Role
Of
model.
course. Right. I love that. Now, is dancing your only, other than dancing and writing and emceeing, what are your other talents?
Okay, I love to swim.
What?
Yes, I was on my school swim team. I used to go to Queen's High, so we did have a swim. So I'm always doing some form of adventure, jumping off some waterfalls in Jamaica. So I do a lot of adventures as well for my foreign visitors that come here. Always some beach, river, pool, something to do with water. That's
nice.
my therapy and that's my second love after dancing.
After dancing, what's your third?
Third, talking. My mother used to call me parrot and I said, Mommy, you see, the parrot at work because it literally working for me right now.
But I discovered something. You have songs?
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
artist too?
Yes, I have a lot of songs on all
Multifaceted.
digital platforms. So go on your Apple, Spotify, any one of them, and you'll find some songs. And they're mostly educational songs because I'm a cultural ambassador. I try to put information in my music to promote the culture itself. So I have a Jamaica song. I have a whining song talking about 12 different whining styles.
Hey.
12?
Creators. 12
But
was
only know
thousand.
3.
Girl, we have hundreds.
You have to teach me a couple of them there.
Yes, I have. I even had card packs to highlight those 12 cards. 12 whining styles. We do them as tarot cards.
Oh.
And then we have the wine, whichever one you want to do, with a sticky wine, needle eye wine, just a basic wine,
Yeah.
figure 8 wine, cushy wine. There is so much of them. Even my own wine, pretty wine.
Okay.
Yes.
So you invent dance moves too.
Definitely over 100 so far.
What?
My dance style is called Stylish Moves, and that's where the second book is all about my certification course. So it's actually the theory for my certification course.
Good.
Oh, so you're
Certified
like certified whiner or certified dancer?
Yeah,
Certified
Oh,
anything to do with whining,
Oh,
broke
whining.
out, all of that. And I've certified over 120 females all over the world, from Korea to Chile to Australia, all of those countries.
Asking for a friend. How do we sign up for that?
Email me, latonyastyle@gmail.com.
I want to be a
Or
certified
DM me,
dancer.
DM me, and I can hook you up.
Okay, spell it Latonya, cause.
LATONYASTYLE.
Okay, all right. No, in terms of plans for the year, what kind of plans do you have?
Well, going back on my Europe tour, November, December, that's annual. This is gonna be like my 10th Europe tour. Yeah, from 2012, took a break in the pandemic. Plan to go back to Australia. This will be my 6th time going to Australia.
Oh, that's
Hey.
Last year we did Harvard University and Brandeis, and we're going back this year to Massachusetts for another university. That is in regards to the documentary I did. It's the documentary screening, and they also have like panel discussions, and I do like a little workshop all promoting the documentary.
Oh, nice.
That it's called Out There Without Fear by Joel Powell.
Oh, okay. Hey, I want but what I love is just you're so humble.
Yes.
You just are reload the most amazing information. For example, you even said something about your book being at Harvard.
Yes, it is in the library.
Oh,
In
wow.
their library, yeah.
See,
When I went last year.
That's nice. That
So
is
you have to
great.
do the road and you should bring it and make sure say, oh,
And-
reach into the library.
I don't want to make it big dancer respect it, because people don't say, oh, the dancer girl, like, oh, she don't wind up herself, or they don't give us no like a respect.
I was gonna
And
go to that.
I'm literally a graduate. I graduated at age 15 with 8 subjects from Queens. So you can call Queens and ask them. So we're not just wind up, and that's all we do. You know, I have a degree in business administration. I'm certified voice and speech, all of those stuff. So yeah, we still try to elevate ourselves, not just because you see us in the dance hall.
Having fun.
Well, it's fun and it's our
Yeah. What we love.
passion turned into our profession.
Yeah, so it's always having fun while doing what them think I work.
Yes.
Okay. So there's something that for me who's in the acting industry, right?
Yes.
We always speak about the other art forms not being as respected. Do you
True.
think dance is as respected as it ought to be?
In my opinion, in entertainment, it's the least respected and the most underpaid.
Oh.
Yeah. Like the videographer, all of these people get the big monies, and we just, them can do it for promotion. Or exposure.
So
So they never ever think that we need to be paid. Like, we don't have bills, we don't have kids, we don't
So
have
like
expenses.
we're gonna reach at the level where we need to pay, no?
Exactly.
Yeah,
To this day.
I know the
To
funniest
this
thing.
day.
That's what the actors say as an actor.
Really?
I meant it up.
Wow.
If I tell you what someone was getting paid
I
for
thought
doing
theater
major
did
roles.
good.
Oh
Wow.
no. So we have a few things in common.
Okay.
What any word of advice on how you think we could fix this?
I think you need to value yourself and ask your price. Don't be shy.
Yeah.
If you don't get your price, see if the job is valuable enough for you to do it at their offer and just capitalize on it. That's what I do. So if they even pay me a little bit, you have to give me some free jingle or something. You might get something from
Some
you.
incentive.
We have a value.
Yeah.
It's not like bartership.
We're
It's
gonna
kind
make
of
up,
like,
we're gonna make up. You know what I mean?
yeah, so like Zip, like come in here knows, liquid, I forgot give me a little one big up and
So you
these
get
things.
it up,
Yeah.
get it on one.
Yeah.
No one wants it specially for me,
Alright. Don't want that, yeah.
This is
You want
CJ
ice? You want
liquid.
icing on the cake? Alright, now make sure.
Which is right,
I'll
which
fix
is
up the
right.
cake. Yeah.
And we there, I have witnesses, so we'll let that in.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So we just have to be smart, and we need to document our stuff. Always taking pictures, doing videos for yourself, and just promote yourself. You never know.
That's true. Thank you
Word.
so much.
You're so welcome.
Alright, that's Latonya Style, dancer, choreographer, author, singer, MC, judge. Yeah, what do you want to entertainer,
Jamaican
host stuff.
cultural
Ambassador,
Yeah.
right there, so right there, so the list is long. We love to see it. Thank you so much for popping in. All right, and now it is time